So the Water Act is all set up to deliver sustainable management, and that's why we regulate the take of water. Normally, depending on the science, a river will require a certain amount of flow in order to remain healthy and viable for the ecosystem and the environment. And our water plans, we get scientists to tell us what that is, and then there will be an amount of water on top of that which can be taken for consumptive use, and that's the sustainable take. It's really important that we make sure that that sustainable take is being managed effectively through our compliance, through using meters, through inspecting, through monitoring things, because if more than that water is taken out of the river, then the river health suffers. You end up with fish kills, you end up with poor quality water, you end up with a river that's no longer sustainable over the long term. So it really leads to long-term environmental degradation, and you can see some pretty awful environmental impacts where rivers are over-extracted.